beg of you. I'll give you everything except my life. Please, I'll give you everything you want except my life. Spare me. Don't.
Yes, shut up. If I hear your voice again, I will waste you. Idiot. Accept your life. Now your life we want. Eh? Now your life we want. Don't that fire you there. The man still dey wear watch. Spirit.
My boss.
How far? You don't communicate with him people?
Boss, you don't do that. And me, I don't follow him people talk.
So you tell them the main thing?
Yes, for sure. Just 48 hours. 48 hours or never.
Very good. Now the ball day for their court. If them like, make them score goal. If them like, make them play over the bar. That one consign them. But any wrong signal we will get from them, you know what thing you go do now.
For sure. I go roast you.
Sir, there will be no wrong signal. I beg you. My people will deliver the cash. As agreed, I tell you, if you don't mind, give me a chance. Let me talk to them again.
Shut your mouth there. Don't that fire you, idiot. You consign me. Who say make you talk? Why am I roast you? Idiot. I'll spill your blood here right now. No government go even ask me after you.
I know. Sorry, sir.
Shut up, yo.
See as you dey shake like tolo. See as you dey shake. You dey answer me sir now. Sorry sir. Even if I say chop shit, yes sir. Now you go talk. Come on, this.
Listen, if you chief, I wear. Nonsense. Come on, what is it?
If I hear your mouth again, if I hear your voice again. Remember when I came to your house? 2 weeks ago, I came to your house talking to you gently. They formed big man for me. Good afternoon, sir.
Young man, how do you have to block me at my gates? How may I help you?
Sorry, my name is Vampire.
Vampire?
Yes, I'm surprised you don't know me, sir.
So what is it? What can I do for you?
Well, sir, I have something very important I want to tell you.
I'm all ears.
Okay, Chief. We got clear information that you handled a deal that was supposed to be for my client, and the deal paid you 10 million naira profit. Yes, you got cash. So we want you to send 6 million naira to me and my boys, Vampire Group. Then the 4 million naira you and your family can enjoy it peacefully. Please.
Are you stupid?
No, sir.
How dare you come here and threaten me? I am Chief Honorable Timothy. I belong to the top echelon in this country. We are movers and shakers of events. You don't just come and... Look, what's it? If you know what's good for you, leave this place or I'll make you rot in jail. Nonsense.
Sorry, sir. Idiot. You walked me out of your gate. Say make I come out.
Sorry, sir. The money is not the problem. I'll give you the 6 million as demanded.
Keep quiet! Shut up!
You give me what? 6 million?
You demanded what? So,
Waka.
take.
Me 6 million.
I thought
You thought. Tobuku onwegeba, you thought. 10 million naira is what I am collecting. The whole money. Because of this time. You know what it take me to organize this thing? They mad. 10 million naira and you have 48 hours. 48 hours for this money to be delivered. If not, make your wife go find another husband, man.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. 10. I'll give you 10. Please, spare my life. I'll give you 10. All the 10.
48 hours. 48.
You get money. Nonsense. You get money. They stingy with Amabi. Go die here today.
Now form alone big man. Now form alone big man. Big man.
DPO.
Yes, madam.
Please, you have to do something fast. I don't want them to hurt my husband.
Mrs. Timothy, you may need to calm down. Try and put yourself together, please. Yes.
I will. But they threatened to kill him if we didn't bring the money today or tomorrow. Please help me, sir.
How much are they demanding for ransom?
10 million naira.
10 million?
Yes, sir.
Shit. Don't worry, that will be a sure means of tracking them. But do you have the money?
Yes, I have it.
You have the money?
Yes, but
okay.
I want the police to go with me.
That's okay. Madam, there are sure ways of doing this. There are strategies that we adopt in doing this. You may need to go home and relax for now. We will work out our internal logistics and intelligence, and we will alert you the moment we are set for the journey.
You mean I should go home?
Please, you may need to go home and catch some rest.
Okay, please help me, sir.
We are doing our job. The police is doing its job.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
Just to be a traitor, the killer, the only man at the mention of his name, the whole village trembles. Uncle is vampire. He's a vampire. He's vampire. He's a vampire. I don't want to go. Innocent who you be, he don't want to know. People go back on people sin it. This is dangerous guy. Who is this person? He's vampire. Run away from vampire. He's a vampire. He's dangerous, deadly. He's vampire. Vampire. He's a vampire. He's vampire. But he just to be a traitor and a killer. The your name. People mad again, and I'm a dream. He doesn't who you be. He don't want to know. People governor, people senator. This is dangerous guy. Who is this person? Oh, he's vampire. Run away from vampire. He's a vampire. He's vampire. He's dangerous, deadly. Oh, he's vampire. Oh, vampire. He's a vampire. He's vampire. But he chose to be a traitor and a killer. The only man at the mention of his.
Just pray make your wife. If your wife no pray, she will die here.
She this leg. Come on,
Come on.
See time. If you waste, I will finish you on the first year. Trust me, I may be spirit.
Over, go.
How far?
Boss.
How far?
Boss, here is the money.
Spirit,
Boss.
open that thing, check am. Make we dey sure say na money be that. Woman
Confirm.
deliver.
Deliver.
You reach 10 million. How many bundles dey there? I hope say your wife no play any game.
No, sir.
Say this money dey complete.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Come here. Come here.
Thank you, sir.
Next time, when person come your house wear slippers, they talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Make you answer am politely.
Yes,
make you no form big man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Because you no know who be who. See as you dey answer yes, sir. Who be man?
I'm sorry.
Na me dey answer yes, man.
I'm sorry, sir.
Grace.
Sorry, sir. To my mouth.
I don't know whether make I kill you now, or make I just let you go.
Have mercy. Have mercy.
See, look my face very well. You see my face, na me be vampire. I know say if you go out now, police go carry you, then go ask you, can you recognize him? Tell them say yes, I can recognize him. Make them look for me. I go find you, I go kill you, I go kill your wife, I go kill your children, I go burn your house.
I won't talk.
Thunder fire you there.
I won't talk, sir. Please have mercy.
Shebi for just dey enjoy your 4 million with your family now. Now na 10 million I don't catch. If you say 10 million na anything, if you say this money na anything, now you'll kill you now.
Sir. Sorry, sir.
Idiot.
Yes, sir.
Come on for here.
Yes, sir.
Get out of this place. Go.
Thank you, sir.
This place.
Thank you, sir.
Disappear. Nonsense.
Thunder fire you there.
No, bring her hand.
I better bring that money, man. See. Alright, guys. Nkwada going now. Now, what I gonna deal is to go. So let's just go somewhere, settle down, share this money. I piasa the ego no. Kusa.
Hold it there. You are surrounded.
Vampire Ibu this your name. Ibu mad and I'm a dream. He doesn't who you be. He don't want to know. People governor, people senator. This is dangerous guy. Who is this person? Oh.
Mama. How are you?
I've been waiting for your arrival.
Okay.
Hey, there's something important I want us to discuss.
Let's go.
No. I'm on my road to the weekend.
So bad, bro.
Is that right?
Mama, what are all the ajujun kedi how? I don't understand. You know where I get my money from. You know.
Izunna, you understand what I'm asking you? You don't want your father and I to know where you stay in the city. Fine. Now tell us what you do for a living. We are your parents. We deserve to know everything about you.
Mama, you know the kind of business I do. You know the kind of business I do. I already told you and Papa that I'm into importation. I import all these designer wears. All these things I'm wearing, these are the things I import and they are the things I sell. It's lucrative. That's where I'm getting my money from.
Importation indeed. Izunna, if this is what you really do for a living, so why do you find it so difficult to tell us where you stay? You know the reason I'm asking you all this? Because I am tired of all the rumors I've been hearing about you in this village. I'm tired.
What rumor? What rumor have you been hearing about me?
Izu, apart from the little stubbornness we used to know you in this village, please, have you in any way used gun to steal anything from anybody in the city?
Hey! Hey! The kind of silly hey! Me! Gun! Mama, the only place I see gun is with police people. That's the only way I know how gun looks like. Mua! Bulewe! Hey! What kind of nonsense rumor is that? Eh? Me! Izu. Anyway, you see, I don't blame anybody. I don't blame anybody. Because they feel I'm stubborn and they think that's what I do. Me. Mama, you know my business. As for what I do, you already know. If it is about where I stay in the city, no problem. I'll find out time to take you and Papa to go and see where I stay. And know my shop where I do business. But all these nonsense rumors, you know that whenever somebody wants to soil your name, that's how they will go and cook up rubbish against you. Just to spoil your name. Mama, I don't know anything about gun. I don't know that nonsense they are talking about. Here.
Anyway, there's no need of shouting. The rumor is everywhere that
Hey, Mama, this is very annoying. Wait, let me ask you, do you really believe this thing? Because you're saying this thing as though you're supporting them. Anyway, I don't care whatever they say. Let them say anything. Now then get their mouth. Let them say whatever they like. But the most important thing is that, do you believe me? Here. Mama. This is not nice, though. Anytime I'm ready, I'll take you and Papa to the city. So that you come and see where I stay. See for yourself. Let them be opening their mouth like basket. Because of this nonsense, what I will do to some of them in this village. Anyway, no problem. No wahala. Where is Papa?
He went to Mazi Bokwe's house. I landed, we are called for a meeting after Mazi Bokwe was coronated as one of the chiefs in this village last week Saturday.
Mazi Bokwe? A chief?
Yeah.
By who? When?
Just last week. He was coronated as a chief Bakburu Nakwa, one of this village.
You're joking.
How can I joke with matters like this? I'm not joking, it's true. Azibokwe is now a chief. Chief Bakburu na kwa one yakwa chief nke na-emetu emetu.
Anyway, no problem. I actually came with my fiance. She's outside. I want to bring her to introduce her to you.
Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey!
The girl I've been telling you about.
Now you are talking.
Oh, give an egg and that's.
Please bring her.
Babes, are you okay? What is it?
Honey, I overheard you arguing with your mom. I hope you are not discussing about me.
Of course not. We are not talking about you. Just family matter, okay? Of course. We're not talking about you. My mom wants to see you. So let's go.
I hope all is well.
Of course, all is well. And listen, you have to put on some smile. Okay? Let's go.
I told you people, I do not believe that he was arrested.
Who?
Izuna.
Which Izuna are you talking about?
The vampire.
Vampire? Jesus. The vampire we all heard that was shot and arrested in the city.
As we speak, vampire is in this village.
Hey, wo, there's problem. We have to be very careful in this village. Just when everybody thought he has been arrested, just for this village to be in peace, he has reappeared again. Hey, why?
So we all go back, living in fear.
Wait. Has he fully returned back to this village?
How am I supposed to know? I don't want to be caught in his trap. I don't even want him to set eyes on me. In fact, I'm going back home to inform my people that he's around. They have to curtail all their movements.
This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world.
How are you? Mazi Bokwe. Kaina afuzim na akuja. Mena jife. Huh? I was actually going to your house.
My house?
No, my house. So, what is this thing I heard you did?
I don't understand the question, my son.
You don't understand. Don't call me your son again. If you see your son, you know go know him. Why are you wearing that red cap and the beads? Are you a chief?
Yes, I was given a title by the Igwe, Chief Obak Gunapawan.
You were given a title by the Igwe.
Yes, my son.
As what?
It was Igwe and the elders that initiated the idea to make me a chief. Honestly, to God, I never thought about it before. My son.
What is that title you just mentioned now? One idiot. Go and remove that cap. If I give back hand down, yeah. Give it to me. Give me this one. Tell me what you have done for this community to deserve this chieftaincy title. What have you contributed to this community? All of you elders will just gather yourself and give yourself one stupid title, be parading yourself about as chiefs. You've not done anything, you have not helped any youth in this community. Listen, go and meet all the elders. All those people that gathered to crown you this nonsense. Go and meet them. Tell them I want to have a meeting with them at Igwe's palace if I slap you. Tell them I want to have a meeting with them at Igwe's palace. And anybody that fails to come for that meeting, oh, if a vampire again, here.
Emeka, what are you doing here in this bush?
Finally, you go gree comply, abi.
What are you talking about?
No, they pretend say you don't know wetin I dey talk. Just give me the thing. Or you want me to take am by force?
Emeka, you're mad. I don't know Pugi. Oh, is it because you touched my breast the other day and you want to still come and talk rubbish? You're insane. You're mad.
You want to stop us?
So what do you do?
Hey, come. Stop there. Come here. Stand here. What were you trying to do to her?
Senior bros, nothing. We just dey play.
Sorry, he's lying. She was actually trying to rape me.
You dey play on top of woman. You're trying to rape her. Huh? Idiot. You are trying to rape a woman at the middle of the road.
Senior bros,
huh?
I don't do anything. I swear.
You are trying to rape a woman.
Senior bros, I don't
as
do
small
anything,
as you are. You dey rape her. Eh?
Senior bros, I don't do anything. I swear, I don't do anything.
You don't do anything.
She don't tell you her own part of the story. Now you carry me the slap.
So I'm blind. You said I'm lying. I'm lying, right? Because I didn't see you. For center of road.
Senior bro, I know wetin I do you now. You won't kill me. Or you want slap me, make I talk wetin I no do.
Oh,
I no
so
do anything.
I will kill you.
Don't kill me.
It's okay, leave him. Come on, go. You can go. You will not go anywhere. You play on top of woman. You're lying. I saw what you did. I didn't see you. Is that what you're trying to say? Is that what you're trying to say?
It's okay.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Allow him to go, please.
I didn't see you. Stand up.
Nai, what is it? Where is your cap, Nai? Nai, what happened to you? Talk to me. Nai.
As if I knew that this was going to happen. I told him that I am not ready for that title yet.
Please talk to me. What happened now? Please.
Izuna confronted me just now and told me that I'm not supposed to be given a title. What have I done for this community that Igwe and the elders will give me a title?
Wait, which Izuna are you talking about?
Izuna Mazudo's son.
But I thought he was...
Sit down. Get away from my body. You thought he was... It's the same thing me I'm thinking before I met with him this afternoon.
What? No.
He even said he was coming to the house.
Hey! So, Nai, what are we going to do now? Tell me.
I don't know. He has already seized my chieftaincy cap.
Oh, Nai, your chieftaincy cap? Hey! Che, Nai, this is serious. Oh. This is serious, my husband.
Very, very serious, my wife. As if I knew that this was going to happen. I told him that I am not ready for this title. I told them.
So, what do we do?
He even told me to go and inform all the whole elders to see him at Igwe's house.
Hey, Nai, wait, let me ask you. Are you going to be there?
I don't know whether I will answer that call or not.
See, Nai, I am not ready to become a widow now. I will not become a widow. You see this house, you're not living it. Huh? You will not go out from this house.
The Igwe and the council, they have given me the title Oba Urunapa 1 in Kembu, Noboda. And that is where I stand.
Oba Urunapa or not Urunapa, you not concern me. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Mazazo. Please come. Which chief? Hailing me, chief, when my life is in danger.
What is the problem, chief?
Stop calling me that name. I just mean no hand. Stop calling me that name.
What is it? This one that are punching like a grasshopper that just escaped the tyranny of the bed. What is the matter?
I'm finished.
What finished you?
It is Izuna. Izuna Madu's son is back.
Wait. What did you say? Was it all the same Izuna that we heard he was arrested and sent to jail?
That was what I thought before I met with him this afternoon.
Hey! So, this very boy is back again to this village with all his torment.
He's on my neck. Oh, Jimnolu. Izuna Jimnolu.
On your neck, how?
I don't know how he got to know that I had been made chief. I saw him this afternoon on my way going to see my sick mother-in-law after the meeting we had.
And what did he tell you?
He said I never informed him before taking up the title. Chief Obakuru na Kawan. Onye na game mumini ya gbe Izuna. Onye ge pon wan ya alaba ya gbe Izuna. I said it as if I knew that this was going to happen. I rejected the idea of this title. You all were saying that I deserve it. Look at it now. Chief Obakuru na Kawan is now in trouble.
Mbano, you are not in any trouble. You remain a title chief. Huh? You remain a title chief.
In a Hukadozo issue, you don't see road. You don't see any longer. As I speak with you now, look at my head. Izuna has already removed my chieftain's cap.
What? And what did he ask of you?
He said that I should inform all the whole elders, including you, to see him at Igwe's palace tomorrow for a meeting.
Chief Igbokwe, I do not say this. Have I wronged you in any way? Why are you trying to do this to me?
I don't understand you. I only gave you the message.
That all the elders should come and answer Izuna tomorrow evening. Is that not?
Yes.
Then why am I involved?
Are you no longer an elder?
I was actually going out before you came. My father-in-law is not feeling really fine. So,
Azuna. Mazazu. Anyway, I don't know why you are behaving like this, so I don't know. I have given you the message. If you like, you come. If you don't like, leave. Izunna knows your house. You are running.
I know you guys have questions about this little boy. I brought him here because I like him. I like the guy well. I want to make we give him orientation. Henceforth, he go begin to work with us. We make him part of us. Okay? Emeka?
Senior bros.
Don't call me bros. Call me vampire boss.
Yes, boss.
His name is Emeka. But I would like to change his name. From today, we will call him Little but Mighty. He is small, but he gets heart. So from today, your name is Little but Mighty. Is that understood?
Yes, boss.
Okay. This is your new family now. So if there is anything you want, just ask. Okay?
Yes, boss.
Spirit.
Boss.
I hand them over to you. You train them.
A gallant.
Show them how would you pick up rates. You understand?
I like the guy.
Obeleshi. Obeleshi.
Oh, now drink.
So, big boy, little boy. Now tell me, what and what can you be able to do?
I don't understand.
What I mean is, can you carry a gun? You go fit handle gun, you go fit carry color.
Yes, I don't carry gun before. When we had issue in my maternal village, we were taught on how to handle gun because I grew up there.
Okay, you know, don't get crisis from that place. And you carry gun well. You carry on well. That time you kill. Have you killed before? In fact, okay. Now, can you kill? You go fit carry gun, plaster person, fire. You go fit fire gun well.
Very well.
Very, very well. Okay. Now, like wetin boss talk, huh? You don't enter. Now our home be this. Just relax. This is your home. Like wetin boss talk. Anything where you need, whether na the one way you need or the one way you no need, we go supply you. Just feel at home, relax. You go shoot, you go fire gun, tire. Now I walk. So that is it. Just feel at home. But one more thing, and one last question. Your parents still alive?
Yeah. What about the money you promised me for my shopping? You told me where.
You still want to go for the shopping? It's alright, no problem. I will give it to you. Okay? So, where exactly would you like to go shopping? Who be that?
Boss, my spirit.
Hold on. See that? Sorry, you have to excuse me. Let me attend to this one. Alright? Spirit!
Boss.
Come inside.
Boss.
Alpha.
Boss, no shaking. We will gallant.
Consider. What's in the movement now?
Boss, no shaking.
Okay.
Because according to the guy who give us intel, the honorable do already boss in country. So, and in the enter town in the morning. Yes, next week na campaign. So we don't prepare everything don't be set. No shit.
Okay. As you run this parole, so what's they involved? Like how much? What's me want know be that?
About 10 million, now they can enter. You know say, person wey dey contest election for this our town. He go load, he go dey load there.
Of course, now.
If they carry more than 10 million enter. I know say person wan contest election for this town, you know what him be. He go hold enough, him pocket go full.
Of course, I understand. Go carry man. I got kuno again and boy.
Boss, you don't be, no shirt.
No, you are now.
See, make I tell you, we get small challenge. They get small challenge.
But what is the challenge?
Boss, me I dey hear say the honorable they come with security. Now nothing again. If not, every other thing done they say about not that security.
That one be challenge. Nothing concern me, concern security. Can you feel basal vampire na security? And man,
I believe you. Ugo para. Ugo. As they throw a granite, now say everybody they scamper.
Relax.
Who is it?
Welcome, mommy.
My dear, how are you?
I'm fine.
How was the day?
Fine. How was work today?
Oh, very good. We thank God.
Hey, I am very tired.
See that?
The security concerns and challenges of this state is becoming a very big threat to the police. We are putting in our best to ensure that we rid the state of all this rubbish.
My love, if you ask me,
okay.
The killing and the kidnapping now in the state has gotten to its peak. The government, they have to grow more in their security network. Because the security network we have is not good enough for the poor masses.
Like I said, we, the police, we are putting in our best to ensure that we eradicate the whole state from all this rubbish.
My love, you look so tired. You have to go inside, take a shower. By the time you come out, the dinner will be set for you so that you can eat and rest.
All right, my dear.
He's vampire. He's a killer. He's a vampire. He's vampire. He's vampire. He's vampire. He's a vampire. He's vampire.
Hello, Sandra. How you doing? Yeah, good. Husband has got to work. I said he has gone to work. I'm still believing God though. Still fasting and praying. Hopefully this month something will come up. It is well. It's in control. No, this month will not fail me. Alright. Take care. Thanks for calling.
Good afternoon all, I'm Esther Ogunmadefle, Magnet TV. We are sorry to interrupt this program to bring you a report of another criminal attack in the state that took place 30 minutes ago. Our correspondent, Helen Patrick, who just brought the information, reported that a political party candidate, Honorable Peter Ajako of Dominion People's Congress Party, DPCP, running for the seat of State House of Assembly, returning for his campaign, has been shot with 2 other policemen by unknown gunmen. We'll bring you details as this story unfolds.
Oh my God, my husband.
Rita, you sounded worried over...
Is it not my husband, Collins?
What about him?
There was a robbery incident some hours ago, and I've been trying to reach my husband, but his line, 2 lines, isn't reachable.
So why are you worried?
Rabia, you don't understand. There was a report on the news that they shot some policemen.
Jesus!
My husband, 2 lines are not going through.
Please, take it easy. This is serious.
I don't just know what to do.
Stop worrying. Nothing bad will happen to your husband. God will protect your husband anywhere he is.
Collins will not just listen to me. I've told Collins to play safe. But Collins wouldn't listen. The state is not in good condition. I asked him to apply for leave, but he refused.
Rita, stop sounding as if something bad has happened to him. Please, just take it easy and calm down. Nothing will happen to your husband. I'm sure of it. Please, just take it easy. Please, take it easy. Don't let this bother you. Just take it easy. Take it easy.
Please, I'm not still going through.
Take it easy, Rita. Rita, please, take it easy. He's going to come back. He's safe.
The devil is very bad. Oh. The devil is very bad. The devil is very bad. The devil is very bad. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world.
Just guess what? Just come over to the house immediately. I want to leave the town. Don't ask me where I am going to, and come over to the house. Else, you will not meet me. Oh yes, I mean it. Stop asking me questions and just come over to the house, okay? Okay.
Okay, but it just to be a traitor and a killer.
Yes, come in.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, madam.
Welcome.
Who are you?
My name is Izuna. I'm looking for Jane.
Jane?
Yes, sir.
Is anything the matter?
She's my friend. I just came to see her. I was actually calling her, but she wasn't picking the call. Maybe she's busy.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Jane! Jane!
Yes, auntie.
Please come.
Your house is beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, come here. Don't you dare try to run. Come. Come here. Where is my money?
Money? What money are you talking about?
Jane, where is my money?
What money?
Jane, where is my money? You took my money. Where is it?
I don't have your money.
Jane, what is going on here? Which money is he talking about?
Auntie, I don't have his money. So I don't know the money he's talking about.
Sir, she stole my money.
What is going on here?
Uncle, I am not with his money.
Jane, where is my money? You took my money. She stole the money I kept under my bed. Where is my money? You took the money from my hotel room. Where is it?
What money are you talking about?
Jane, don't make me get even with you. You left this bangle there. You left this bangle where you picked the money. From under the bed. Where is my money, Jane?
Jane, are you with his money?
Uncle, I am not with his money.
Kedegom!
I don't have your money.
You don't have my money. You don't have my money. I'm about charity. You don't have my money. Where's my money? Where's my money? Oh, sit down, sit down, sit down. Where is my money?
I beg you, don't do this. Please, calm down.
Where's the money? Where is the money?
Just calm down. I'll go and get the money for you. Just
30 seconds. Come on, move. If you don't get back here, I'll kill them in 30 seconds. Come on, go. Move. Idiot. Have a criminal in this house. Drop it here. Drop it. I hope you didn't take money from this place. Did you take any money from here? Are you sure? We'll have a thief in this house.
We don't know that she's stealing your money, please. We promise we will not let her.
Do you know my name? My name is Vampire. Have you heard of Vampire before?
Yes.
Come on, get down. Idiot, you beg me to come. Get down. Go down. I carry you go my village. You see as in they fear me. You see as in they dread me. You get the liver. You You get the guts to come steal from me. You the grace. Forgive you. Have you ever seen vampire forgive anybody? Get up.
Forgive me, please. Forgive me.
You're not afraid of me. Because me and you they sleep for the same bed, Abi. Thunder fire you there. Consider!
Children.
Yes, Uncle.
Our subject of today is Christian religious knowledge. You were told earlier that Judas Iscariot was among the 12 disciples of our Lord Jesus Christ. Am I correct?
Yes, Uncle.
So who among you can tell me the name of that disciple of Jesus Christ that betrayed him?
Judas Iscariot.
In our Christian religious knowledge, we learned that we humans, we are made out of the image of God. The image of God is what we are. And as that, we need to be acting the same way our Lord Jesus Christ acted when he was in the world. Believing that forgiveness is one of the major things as Christians. Because our Lord Jesus is forgiveness. Forgiveness is a major topic of today. Our Lord Jesus Christ is forgiveness. If we are trying to act like our Lord Jesus Christ, we should also learn how to forgive one another. When your brother, your sister, whosoever that wrong you, you should tell the person, I have forgiven you. Because our Lord Jesus Christ forgave them that betrayed him. Even when he was crucified, on the crucifix there, he said, Father, forgive them because they did not know what they are doing. So, Jesus Christ himself forgave them that betrayed him. So it is our own duty today to learn how to forgive one another. Anybody that's wronged you, you should tell the person, I have forgiven you.
Thunder fire you there, forgive what you. Everybody, you saw the way I shot your teacher, right? If you misbehave, if you make noise, I will shoot you the same way. Okay? I'll fire you there.
Shh, come on, shut up your mouth.
See all of them wear yellow. Even your teacher is wearing yellow. Do that saying I've been to get this school. Been a yellow fever and get the school. Okay, you all are going to stand up one after the other right now. Line by line, you match out. You make noise or disobey, I will shoot you. Okay, gently, oh yeah. Stand up! One by one. Hey, if I hear soon, quiet. I don't want to hear soon. Yes. Quiet.
Shut up, man. As you're coming down, shut up. Come here. Come this way. Come this way. No. If you do pump, I shoot. I will be.
Mommy and Daddy will come for you.
Yeah. Come this way. No. If you do pump, I shoot.
He doesn't who you be. He don't want to know. People go back home, people sin it.
Keep moving. Gently. Keep moving. Hands on your shoulder. Your hands on your shoulder. I don't want to hear some. Your hands on your shoulder. Don't worry, Mommy and Daddy will come for you. Okay? Mommy and Daddy will come for you. Now no get problem. You are safe.
Quiet, go.
I hear some.
Quick, shut up. No shame. Come on.
Come and kidnap me as well, oh. They should come and kidnap me. Only God knows where they are taking them to. This man finally killed me. Kidnappers. Oh, they should come and kidnap me, my only daughter. Oh, Mary, where are you? I hope you are fine. My daughter. Come and kidnap me, oh. They should come and kidnap me.
What has happened? Kidnappers? Kidnap my children? Oh my God! Where are they? Wow, this classroom is empty! Oh my God! What happened? My son! Where are my children? Where are they? Let's go to the police station. Immediately, we have to go to the police station. Quickly! Let's go.
DPO.
Yes.
I don't know, we have to do something. 2 of my kids are amongst those children kidnapped from the school.
Oh. Honorable Asentegu, I am so sorry about that. But there is no cause for alarm yet. My men have gone after them. Yes. Information from Force Intelligence Unit has already revealed that notorious vampire and his gang are responsible for this nefarious act. We are aware.
Vampire?
Yes, vampire.
That undead creature?
Yes.
He's very deadly, oh. He's very deadly. What do we do now? I had an encounter with him.
Really?
You cannot joke with him, oh. Don't even dare try to joke with him. He is not somebody to joke with. DPO, please. We have to swing into action now. Immediately.
It's all right. That's okay. That's okay.
Yes.
But there is no cause for panic now. Nothing has gone wrong yet. Yes. The situation is actually under control. Some other parents also were here earlier, and I told them the situation is under control. You need to relax your mind, Honorable Ego. We are in control. Please.
It's okay.
Yes, we are. The police is doing its job.
It's okay.
Listen to me. Don't call this number again unless I call you. Okay? Get out of my phone. Yes. I said I don't want to hear some. If I hear some, I will shoot. I will shoot you. Just like I shot that your useless teacher. It is yellow uniform. I'm sure most of you are hungry. In fact, all of you. Leto.
Boss.
Come. want make you enter town. Take this money. Go and buy them different kinds of biscuits, different types, with water, pure water. Let them drink and eat.
Okay, boss.
Drop that gun.
Enter this forest. As I talk to you now, police people don't dare everywhere. As I go get the food for these children, as I see them from far, but they don't see me now, Tuama.
Boss, we didn't concern police concern this matter of our matter now. Police, ooh, boss, we could go meet them. We could go meet them.
Relax, spirit. Cool down. Police now our friend now. Then come meet us because we carry market. So then come to buy market. We will sell for them now. Abi, we'll sell market, give them now. I will go and meet them, okay? I will go meet them, make we talk. But if you don't see me, or you get any wrong signal from me, kill all the children.
That's something we know how to do. Come on, sense. Come on, keep quiet. Small crayfish. That's all to work. Come on. Come on, let's go back. And then keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Papa, Nobody give a fuck. And I'm a He doesn't who you be. He don't want to know. People governor, people senate. This is dangerous guy. Who is this person? Run away from vampire. He's dangerous, deadly.
Hold it there. Any other step, you'll be a dead man.
Shut up. You self hold am there. Any step, you self go die. I dey expect you now. I carry market. And I come to buy am. And you na come to threaten. You know who I be? I me be vampire. Nobody threatens vampire. Listen, Oga. Those children, where them dey, them point them gun for their head. Any wrong signal from any of you here, my boys go waste them. That one is #1 information.
Where are the children you abducted?
Are you their father? Why do you want them?
Do you know it is unlawful for you to hold people down under duress against their wish?
Yes, I know. I'm very much aware. But those children will remain with me. They will remain in my custody until I get what I want.
And what do you want?
You want to know what I want?
Yes.
Among those children, 2 are the children of Honorable Isent Egu. I don't know which one. So, you have to give me time to screen them and find out which ones are his children. Then, they will be with me. I'll release the rest. You understood?
So what do you have with Honorable Hyacinth Egu that made you abduct innocent children?
Oga, it no concern you. But in case you want to know, that idiot, that Honorable Anuma and all the smart, I had a deal with him. He thinks he's smart. He thinks he can outsmart me. Nobody they take what him belong to me, oh. I may be vampire. You understand? So until he gives me what I want, those his kids will be with me.
Anyway, Mr. Vampire or whatever you are called, we are very sorry. We cannot give you any other time. You must release those children today and now.
I can only release them if you guys will go and bring Honorable Hyacinth Egu to me. Then bring the man himself and I'll release the children.
Mr. Man, we did not come here to negotiate with you. Go and have those children released now.
Now who they talk? Just me like saying a bird they sing. Who you be? Who you be? They mad? So all this grammar while they speak, you know they hear them. You know in town ahead, Abby. Listen, this conversation is over. I wanna leave this place. So those children are so important to all of you, right? They are so important to you, that's why you left and came into this bush. You risk your life and enter this jungle. Don't you waste all of them now. Because they're big men children now, now they run kati enter bush. And they crazy. When I dey small, when I dey inside bush, they suffer. Did any of you come for me? Did any of you come to rescue me or help me?
Your parents didn't ask for help. That's why nobody came searching for you. I put it to you as a plea. Please release those children now.
I can only release the children if you people will bring Honorable Hyacinth Egu to me.
And if we don't?
Malifeja bomb. Vampire. You know why they call me vampire? You guys should leave this place.
Go and have those children released. Now.
Spirit, you don't ready. Shh! You don't shell it. Now our walk. Now something we know how to do. We must dance the dance. Come on. Shh. Pepsi.
Yes, boss.
Kisito, go bring more chippings. More chippings.
No wahala.
Scar, Drake, follow me, follow me. Leto, Brave, just waste this fish there.
Hey, you don't do. See, more na quiet, spirit don't talk, you don't come out. I know they kiss small children, more na see me well now. Eh? More na quiet, you don't do. Leto.
I say, make una no try any nonsense. You see that gunshot where you release? You hear what they cost now? Eh?
vampire. He's a killer. He's a vampire. He's vampire. He's vampire. He's vampire. He's a vampire. He's vampire. But he chose to be a traitor, a killer. The only man at the mention of his name, the whole village trembles upon his vampire. He's a vampire. He's vampire. He's a vampire. He's vampire. I don't want to go bananas. I don't want to go bananas.
Look at innocent children slaughtered. Okay, please, let's move them to the van.
Look at this one here. There is one there. Yes, sir. Sir, let's take them away. The boys might still be around.
Yeah, please,
let's take them away.
Move them.
me know what's necessary for this matter. Ah! Obago! I don't know anybody.
It's all right. Indeed, we are very sorry about your loss. This is the height of it. Vampire has bitten more than he can chew. Even if this becomes my last operation with the police force, so be it. But I must bring him to book. I am very, very sorry about your children. Please, those of you that are here, you take your children, the officers will help you make papers for them so that I can take them away. Then the remaining ones can be taken to the morgue. Please, hold back your tears. Console yourselves. Aye, sir. Morning, sir.
My goodness. Inspector.
Yes, sir.
What is this? What happened?
Sir.
Are these the children?
These are the children, sir.
What happened?
Before we got to the scene of the crime, all of them were already shot, sir. All we could do was to bring back these corpses. There was little or nothing else we could do, sir.
They are dead as they are.
All of them were dead before we got there, sir.
This is a colossal loss.
A colossal loss indeed.
These are their parents.
These are their parents, sir.
Please, parents, calm down and pull yourself together. We will do something immediately. We will swing into action right away. Please, calm down. Please, get yourself together. Inspector.
Yes, sir.
See me in my office immediately, right now.
I was just coming back from your place.
From my place? Oh, there's no problem.
Must there be any problem before I come to your place?
Oh, that. I went for an errand for my mom.
Yes, your mom told me that.
Okay.
So, but how are you preparing?
Preparing for what?
Don't tell me you've forgotten about Umezela festival. You know they have invited our maids to come and dance as usual.
Okay, I know that already.
Why are you pretending?
I heard that from Oluchi.
You know that Umezela festival used to be very big and this year will be bigger.
Mma, are you sure we will go?
How do you mean?
Because last time, after all the rehearsals, that useless boy, the vampire, came from nowhere and stopped us. So how are you too sure that he will not stop us this year?
Who is talking about vampire? Who is vampire? I even heard that he has been arrested and has been detained in the city. So please, let's talk about Ezala's festival, not vampire, please.
If he says so.
Yes, I said so. We will start our rehearsal by tomorrow. I hope you come to Mamara place for our rehearsals.
I will try.
Olebobe, not you will try. Come there.
Okay, Ma, I will.
Olebobe, you have to come and see me in action. Come and see the way I'm going to dance and my new song I'm going to introduce tomorrow, and the way I'm going to twist my waist.
It's going to be great.
Very great. So make sure you be there.
I will try.
Not you will try. Come there.
I will.
Okay, bye bye. Bye.
Get mine. Go meet pocket. To give her my own thing. I go kill somebody.
Now your girl, forget.
Kidnapped? Are you among those that we heard that were kidnapped by vampire and his gang? Get water! Get water! Somebody get water! Get water! Water! He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He has given up. He's dead. Is he dead?
Hey! Where did you get the children?
From the bush, sir.
Where?
Bush, sir.
Bush.
Yes, sir.
What is going on here?
Sir, we saw these children by the roadside screaming for help. By the time we got there, this one was already dead. Told us they were kidnapped and that they managed to escape. So we decided to bring them here, sir.
Check his pulse. Check his pulse, his neck.
He's dead, sir.
Where is the living one? Corporal, take him. No, come. Boy, relax. You're safe now. Could you please tell us what happened? It's obvious he's very weak.
Yes, sir.
Gentlemen, indeed I am very grateful to you. I am very surprised to find very good Nigerians like you in this country today. These children were abducted from their school this morning by the notorious vampire. But the police is on top of it. Once again, thank you very much. Sergeant,
sir,
take these people, get their statements, and then let them go. Ensure that that boy gets a new cloth, let him take his bath, and very good food should be given to him. The rest, get into the car.
Thank you. It's not that you're going? Yes. I thought I was the only one late. You know my father now, he insisted that I must finish all the domestic job before going out.
I'm just coming back from the market right now, and they've started already. But I mean the sound of the drum. Let's hurry up.
This
Nna.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. When did you return?
I just came now. I'm just coming back now. I'm just returning now. Where's Papa?
He went out. Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. Mr. Badro, I just came to tell you and Papa that I'll be leaving town. I'll be leaving now, right now, like right now. I'm going now. Now, okay? If anybody comes to look for me, tell them you don't know where I am. In fact, matter what I'm nobody should call me.
Now, where are you going to?
Mama, due to a situation of things, when we keep facing the kita, I want to try that good first. Once Papa comes back, tell him.
Mama, I don't understand you.
Mama, Subadro now. There's no problem. I just want to leave town. I just want to go out first.
Why don't you wait until your father comes?
Mommy, a long time. I don't have that time. So please, just do as I say. What I go? Don't worry, I'm fine. I'll call you. Don't call.
Who is after you?
Vampire.
Hey!
That boy again.
He's back.
What kind of joke is that?
That boy again.
Vampire we all heard was arrested in the city. Back in this village again. No, it's not for real. It's not for real.
Nkiru, I'm not joking. I saw him as I was coming to the rehearsal. Healthy and hearty.
So what do we do now? Hey, there is trouble.
Big trouble.
What trouble? Please, let's continue with our rehearsals. How does this coming back affect us?
Please go and sit down.
Hey, continue what? Impossible. You all know what happened the last time Umezala invited us for their festival. The so-called vampire came there and spoiled the whole thing. Just because we never informed him of the invitation, as if he's the king. Please, me, I don't want trouble. If we must continue, we must go and inform him officially. If not, I'm no longer interested. I don't want trouble. I'm not interested.
So, what do we do now? Because me, I'm ready to show my talent at Umezala.
Talent show.
Be talent.
These boys have done their worst. And I believe that this is the highest they can ever do in this place. I must make sure they pay for the blood of those innocent children and every other of their victims. It's a promise. It is a promise. No matter how tough they claim to be, it's high time they met their doom.
Sir, you needed to see the lifeless bodies of those children scattered all over the forest. It was a gory state. We only managed to bring out the very few that we could, sir.
Imagine that. See, the terror of this vampire in this place will soon be over.
I pray so.
For sure. It will.
I pray so.
Inspector.
Yes, sir.
From the look of things, it may be needful that we invite Honorable Ego for questioning.
Yes, sir. Like I said, based on the information we have and the intel I already have told you of,
yes,
I have started a preliminary investigations into the affairs that existed between him and the notorious vampire, sir.
Oh, that's good. You better do that fast because we need to seriously interrogate him here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All the same, I had a telephone discussion with the commissioner with regard to this matter.
Okay, sir.
And he has promised to send in a special squad as soon as possible.
That's good, sir.
They will help you, work with you to track down these boys. These boys must face justice. And this is the time you will employ all your prowess in bringing them behind the bars. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Inspector, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So.
But, sir, I think since this vampire and his boys have defied almost all the security measures that we have employed in tracking them down, that we should go a little bit unconventional tactics in tracking and cracking them eventually, sir.
Okay, I understand your point, but that exactly is the reason why this special squad is going to be detached from the headquarters to this place. Yes, we are trying to adopt a different strategy. So thank you very much for your concern. Inspector! Sure, sir! Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you very much.
The gifts of devil is very bad. 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 This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. But now you don't see the repercussion. But now you don't see the drum beat. Oh, now you don't see the repercussion. No, you don't dance in the drum beat. You be need them sharp, who don't come. You be need them where don't come. You be need them sharp, who don't come. You be need them where don't come. Why you there run no beginning at sugar son? Why you there run no beginning at sugar son? Oh. beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This is a beautiful world.
Where did you get this?
The news there everywhere now. I buy the papers as they come back. Even as they come back, I see where they put your picture for war. Come write 1/3. I just can't delete here and come out. I know they waste time now.
Nah, warm superstar. More 1/3. And I cause a picture in a poster. 1/3. Vampire 1/3.
Celebrity.
More. Honorable, I sent him. Because I know saying I handwork with this. With all those stupid police calling them Now
the obituary poster in the print, so no be your own.
I go use their blood paint this town red. I go use their blood paint this town.
Thunder fire.
I them now and 500,000. I be I can have 1 million. Can I chop them? Mama, I chop them. So what?
Now you own obituary picture when they are there. No be your own.
I'm serving living God. You could hear. Sweetheart. Sweet. Where could she be? Is she not aware I'm back? What? Sweetheart! 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 Sweetheart!
Hello? Inspector Collins, how are you? What's up now? Oh, Vampire Nehu. So sorry, I heard what happened to you. I heard. Yeah. Inspector, you see? Now bad thing say I call you to console you. I say make I say sorry now. I hear say something happen. So sorry. Under fire you there. Go and bury your wife and wait for me. Coming for you in a total vampire aka. Oh, to say you dey here, ndago igbo anwa. Idiot.
These are the officers the commissioner sent from the headquarters. They are the special squad. They are to work with you.
Okay, sir.
With a view to tracking down Vampire and his group.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Gentlemen,
sir.
This is Inspector Collins. He has been on this matter. He will work with you very closely and furnish you with every necessary information that will lead to tracking down Vampire and his group. You are a team, a formidable team at that. I believe in you guys that you can deliver. You go out there and get these guys arrested. I wish you guys success.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Agent Mario.
Good.
We assure you success operations.
You're welcome.
You have not told us what you want to do with the shrine of Arusike. Why do you want to go there?
Papa, nothing much, but can you tell me where it is located?
One.
Yes, Mama.
Arusike is a dreaded deity. It is believed to be a wicked oracle, which does no good. So, what do you have with it?
Mama, I did not say I want to go there. I just want to know about it.
I see. You see, there is only one road to Arusike. People do not go there during the day. You can only go there through the Ngene River. Arusike is very dark during the day, but bright by the night.
But, Papa, how did you know all this?
You see, my son, I was a faithful servant of Arusike. You see that pear tree you are seeing at the backyard? That pear tree at the backyard was the place I had a small shrine. I used to give sacrifices to it on a daily basis. All these happened before you were born. I still remember, yes, I do. I remember that your mother and I used to ask it for a child.
But, Papa, why did you stop worshipping the Arusike?
Arusike is regarded as a deadly god. It kills at will. It doesn't look back when it wants to kill. It doesn't at all. It is also regarded as an oracle of blood. It gives and takes at will. You see, my son, you don't need to worry. Your mother and I are now Christians. And so we don't want anything to do with him again. We don't want anything to do with it.
But, Papa, how is the oracle like?
What do you ask? What do you ask, my son? Why? Why?
It's like I have come in contact with it.
No. You have not come in contact with him at all. See. Arusike appears as a very tall, fair, old grey hair man, but very strong and runs like a young man. The priest of Arusike is known as Ugede. Nothing changes in the shrine. Ugede does not grow old though. He doesn't grow older than what he is. See, when I was worshipping Arusike, till now, it's still what he is. No change at all. Nothing changes. It's still this Ugede priest that is still serving the oracle till death. Wait, my son. I hope all is well. Izu, I hope all is well.
My son, you have finally come to the right source of power. Arusike has long been waiting for your coming. Yes. Finally, you have come to take your destiny right into your own hands. Sway me, my bride. Kiriye yari witness ye. Arusike pembe somina yana bonimi. Ugede somina yana bonimi. Izu no bari ni ya. Sway me, my bride. Kiriye yari witness ye. Arusike pembe somina yana bonimi. Ugede somina yana bonimi. Izu no bari ni ya. Hey. Yes. You are destined for greatness. Yes. But this greatness will only manifest through the help of Arusike. Yes. The whole world will hear about you. Yes. You are indestructible. Yes. No man born of a woman can ever harm you. Yes. This is when you will know exactly, yes, who you are. Rubianko. Baba Vika. Yes. You are a child of destiny. Yes. You were made from this shrine. You are a son of Arosike. Yes. You stand to be indestructible until the day you decide to break your covenant with your creator, Arosike. Yes. Ile wata wanye baraje, ile wata woke baraje, profefe kwa chirigobe, bom. Ile wata wanye baraje, ile wata woke baraje, mana profefe kwa chirigobe, bom. Ile wata wanye baraje, ile wata woke baraje, profefe kwa chirigobe, bom, 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 bom. Hey! Will have to sleep in the shrine for 7 whole days. And in the 7 days, you will eat 7 sacred vultures of Arosike. Yes! Yes, 7 vultures. Yes! 7 vultures. Yes, 7. 7 vultures. Yes, 7.
Today you will write a composition about your school. Write all you know about this school and its curricular activities, and it will be only 3 pages. Izuna. What were you doing?
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? I saw you playing and you're telling me nothing.
I say nothing.
Okay, fine. If nothing, what was the last word I said while teaching?
I don't know.
Can you see that you are playing? Who will help you? Is it you?
You were telling us to write a composition about our school and its extracurricular activities.
Good. Clap for him. Izuna, can you see that you don't know anything? Foul brain. You are too dull to be in this class. I will tell the principal to send you out from my class. Please, as I was saying, write all you know about this school. And it will be only 3 pages.
I don't know anything. You don't know everything. Let me see where to take it. God punish you.
Who goes there? Who goes there?
I suppose you are a vampire.
How may I help you?
You are under arrest.
What is my offense?
You're pretending as if you don't know, right? Don't worry, when we get to the station, you'll know better.
Officer, I'm a very busy person. As you can see, I'm waiting for somebody here, so I cannot go with you.
Don't make me believe that you are resisting arrest.
What do you want me to do to make you know that I am not resisting arrest?
I want you to follow us peacefully to the station because the CP wants to see you.
That will not be possible. Go and tell your CP that I'll be coming to your station to see him later.
Young man, respect yourself. Don't allow me to rough handle you here.
I've told you before, I will not follow you to the station. Go and tell your CP that I'll be coming later to see him. Okay? Excuse me.
Mario, he has disappeared.
Don't worry.
Show yourself! Oh.
How police go enter here? Our own cabal, our own unit. Come carry boss, come out. Who them be? Who give them mind? Who give them liver?
But you get with I no understand. So people say we go come out for this camp before this thing can happen. Why now? What we still there they do?
See, guy, no the young careless. No the young careless. That will not be the matter on ground. See, spirit. What me they talk be say? Those people, those police are waiting they call themselves. They no fit just enter our camp anyhow, just call Jean our boss come out. They know we be vampire. Eh? Vampire na their mate, so they go just Jean vampire like that come out. Who just enter that police station, start everywhere, knock things, you know, just knock things, rescue our boss. That be my own.
I dey reason this thing. I just dey reason this thing. Before these people go enter this place like that, come carry our boss. My brother, I don't look at no be ordinary thing. No be ordinary thing.
No be lie. Before these people go come here, come carry our boss, come over here. We will come beat to them. Now you check am, reason am. My own suggestion be say make we find way come up from this bush.
Hey, shit, come on, shut up. Pause, come on, pause. Are you insane? See this small boy we just bring on board. He there, they talk nonsense, they challenge. Run to where? Run go where? To where? If I hear your mouth again, shut up. If I hear him, I go waste you here. I go blow your skull here. Your blood go scatter here and nonsense.
Please, why you go waste them now? Eh? I go waste am. If they try this not something for what they talk, if they try bring it on Akoluche, he say he go waste am. Waste am say wetin happen now. Come on, show him. You want to challenge me? You didn't challenge me. Look at this boy, oh. See him? Spirit. If you open mouth, don't pick it.
Oga, why not keep me here now? Oga!
Who the make that noise yourself? Huh? Mr. Man, what happened? Why did you start the whole place?
Oga, no verse now. Una keep me here since morning. Una no give me food, no water.
Which hunger? Now maybe your father will carry come here, will give you food. Huh? If I hear noise here again, huh? You don't talk for night like this. If I come back here and hear noise, I'll bob their head for you. See Bella with the chop food.
No blame you now. Now all the food we are supposed to eat, now you don't carry food your belly, so belly be like cow. Come that fire you there. I'll catch you for bush, you know how far.
I think say no if you collect. See, guy. You need to want to just see and be saying, I want you just say they don't shoot down. This guy not bad. They don't do it down. And look at. I didn't say no if you collect.
Don't collect.
Don't collect now. Don't collect.
Don't collect. This is your airline.
Agwe, no one touch you. Not today.
As
today you don't be.
Abai.
This good news waiting for this town. See, Begs don't laugh.
I dey wait for town. They will talk say they don't shoot down. They don't fire. I said what?
Only this one do, only this one do.
Why don't die?
Today, I don't do guys, no, I'm mellow down. But today, I don't declare public holiday for myself. I'm not working now.
But holiday. When they want for me say, I don't for the town say they don't shoot down. They don't fire. Don't die.
Stand there now. Stand there.
This one do, I believe
Small.
Hey, Nani. Oh yeah. Now you won't believe what I just heard.
What did you hear?
That police has finally arrested the Zuna in the city for real.
Hey, Abiola, the cho.
Hey!
Who told you? Have you people started with this your rumor again? Nebidola?
That has been my dream, that this boy should go to jail. Man, this is not rumor. I am telling you the truth. Even the Mazo concern that just came back from the city told us that the news is everywhere. Hey, Nai! Hey!
That boy, Ababelegu, that boy deserves death. He will soon be released.
Hey!
And I don't know how he does that.
Nai, the way I heard it, this boy is not going to come out alive. Hey! It has been my dream. Nai.
Okay. I need to go to Mazoko's son. I will go to his son direct. And if this rumor that you told me now is truth, I'm going to shut. Even though I know a backyard, I get buya. Hey, the first time we are communicating with Hebaru. Oh, we on a plantain, chu. Gan on a potato, chu. In on a mango, chu.
Whether you go or not, I am telling you the truth. Now, it calls for celebration.
See, young man, the deed has been done. The only way we can make things work is exactly what we are doing now. You need to relinquish unto us the hideout of your boys. After then, we can settle things amicably.
Vampire, Ifujuanya. Hey, you think I'll be fool, Abby? You think I'm a fool? Me, tell you where my boys are. Why don't you ask for the possible rather than asking for the impossible? I cannot tell you that. Besides, I don't care. Not negotiating with anybody. Not doing any negotiation. You guys better be careful.
Listen. This your arrogancy will not help you. It will not sort out this whole thing for you. You better tell us where your boys are hiding so that we can get hold of them and sort out these things. Are you hearing me?
I don't want any settlement. To hell with you people and your settlement. Now once person they die now. I'm not sorting anything out with any of you. The only settlement I want now is for you people to allow me go. Let me go and face my business. See, I don't want to have the belief that you people want to do something funny to me, because my boys get when they're in the fan.
Quiet! I said quiet! Listen, you don't have the right or effrontery to threaten any of us here. Alright? See, let me tell you something. With what you have done so far, do you know that would have killed you? Do you know that?
So why would I never kill me? Do I look like someone who is afraid to die? I've said it before. Why don't you kill me then? If you don't want to kill me, then let me go. Why keep me here and be suffering me for nothing? I was there in cell since nobody gave me food.
See, it seems you do not understand the gravity of the offenses you have committed and the ones levied against you. You have turned to a terrorizing the whole of this state and its environment.
You people should ask yourself the truth now. Which offense have I committed? I did a genuine business with somebody. Because he's a big man, he decided not to pay me. He decided to outsmart me. Okay, I converse. Go kidnap in children. Kata come boss. Now be the offense. Is it my fault? Okay, if you think I'm guilty, no problem. Take me to court. Why keep me here in the cell? I know my right to see because I'm not supposed to stay past 24 hours for cell. I know my right.
I can see that you are a hardened criminal. But I tell you, we have other ways to deal with handling hardened criminals like you because we have done that before. The earlier you start talking, the better for you.
I have finished saying what I want to say. Let me go. Moses said, let my people go.
Okay, since this is the way you want it, you will go to court.
What is it? Woman! Woman, don't disturb me with such issues.
Why won't I disturb you with such issues?
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Nai, your only son, I mean our only child, has been arrested since last week. Until now you have not done anything to get him released. Eh? Do you want him dead?
Listen to me, woman. Listen to me. What do you want me to do? Do I even know where they have taken him to? Look, woman, please let me be. Elunia, let me be.
Nai, let you be.
Yes, let
you be. Nai, nothing should happen to my son. Oh. You want to try me? Nothing should happen to my son.
If you want to help your son, go in search and look for him. As for me, I am not interested. Well, let me ask you, what have I not done to make sure he's responsible in life? Or have you forgotten so soon how I sold, including the only portion of land left for the family, because of the boy he killed while he was in secondary school? Have you forgotten?
Must you always remind me of that?
Yes, I have to. Yes, I have done everything a good father should do. But Izu refused to help himself. And because of this, let him remain there and suffer. Eh? Yes, let him suffer.
Hey,
Mazude, my husband. How can you be so heartless? Your only son to remain there and suffer. Eh? Is that all you have to say? Is that your final answer?
Let me tell you, I have done and said everything I need to say. If you want to help your son, please go and help him. Leave me out of it. I am not interested. I have so many better things to think about. Thank you, woman.
Now come back here. Come back here.
Wise one. We need your help. We are here for your help. Our boss brought us here first, and he was the person that made us to know this place. So, please, as we talk to you now, our boss is in the police cell. Wise one, please, we really need your help.
Sons of men, save your breath. Nothing has gone wrong yet. Yes. The arrest came at the right time.
I don't understand, wise one. How do you mean?
Put yourself together. Yes, this is just to show the people who exactly he is. Yes. The son of Arusike can never be killed. Yes. So you just go home and rest. Go home and rest, yes. Hey! Something is wrong. Hey! Something is wrong. Hey! This is not what I expected. The hand holding him is very, very strong. Yes. As I speak now, they are planning to send him to jail.
Okay, wise one. At this point in time now, what are we to do? What are we to do?
Yes, I will tell you what next to do. This fight is not your fight alone. Hey!
Sir!
Yeah, Inspector.
Yes, sir.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, we have succeeded in bringing in Honorable Hyacinth Egu for questioning and interrogation, sir.
Has he said anything yet?
Yes, sir. He has been debriefed, and based on the intel we've gotten from him, it's obvious he actually had a business transaction with that infidel, the criminal vampire, and was at the verge of paying him what is due him before the ugly incident of the kidnapping of those children. We are still on him, sir. We are not yet through with the briefing, sir.
Very good. Inspector, I must say you are doing a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I like that.
I appreciate, sir.
Thank you very much. One more thing.
Yes, sir.
I want you men
to
use our tactical strategies as police in getting all those associates of vampire. Get them all arrested. For your information, vampire himself is going to face trial in the court sometime next week.
I'm aware, sir.
Yes.
I'm aware, sir.
And I would wish that you get them also so that they will all face trial together at the same time. Is that clear?
Very clear, sir.
It's all right.
Yes, sir.
I think that's all for now. You may leave.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What did I do now? What did I do? What did I do, officer? What did I do? What did I do now? Hey! What did I do now? What did I do? Officer, what did I do now? What did I do? Officer, what did I do now? Officer, what did I do? What did I do now, officer? Shut up, idiot! What did I do now?
Okay, keep quiet. Now why they disturb me? See they ask questions, say what you do. The man is still here. Which kind of rubbish be that? Don't disturb my peace.
Who are you and why are you interrupting me?
What are Sukwamo Igbo? Na me they speak grammar for. Na me they talk to.
How many people were there here?
Na me they talk to.
How many people were there here?
Thunder fire you there. Thunder fire you.
Sir!
Yes, sir, Inspector.
Sir, we have a problem.
A problem?
Yes, sir. The man we arrested yesterday night is found dead in the cell this morning.
Dead?
Yes, sir.
How do you mean dead? What happened?
Sir, that I am yet to know. But he was put in the same cell with a criminal vampire.
How on earth could you do such a mistake? Eh? That cell is for drug barons, assassins, and terrorists. Why would you put him in that cell when you know that we have a general cell for common criminals in this place?
Sir, the man did not appear as a common criminal. He as well behaved like a terrorist. It took over 3 men to be able to arrest him. He resisted arrest and fought us with every arm that was within his disposal.
And so, Inspector?
But, sir, the man is, in fact...
Inspector, that is not an excuse. What you are saying is not an excuse whatsoever. Eh? You may leave my office now, please. Please, leave my office.
Yes, sir.
Oga, I've told you the truth. I've told you what I know. I'm not the one that killed him. What else do you people want me to say?
You are not saying the truth. And that I know.
DPO, I am not the one that killed him. Not be me kill him.
You say you didn't kill him. Why then were there finger wounds on his neck?
Oga.
Yes.
Let me tell you what happened. I don't know if it's a spiritual problem. The guy was choking himself. He just carried hand, hold himself on neck. Only and the struggle. Only he was struggling. Before I know, he was just dead. Not be me kill him. He just strangled himself. Maybe it's a spiritual problem. I don't know. Maybe they don't send something to him from village.
Mr. Man, let me tell you. You have the guts to kill somebody while in cell. You will rot in jail. That I assure you, you will.
That DPO, I know they fear jail now.
You know they fear jail.
Oga. Oga, now because you be DPO, I dare yourself.
You feel you are so strong that nothing can happen to you and that you are indestructible. But sorry, the long arm of the law has caught up with you this time around. Just wait until next week, when you will be sent for trial in the court. Then I will come to know who will save you. You bastard. Sarge! Come and take this hardened criminal back to the cell. Take him back. Take him back there.
The gift of devil is very bad. 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 This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world.
Izuna, what are you doing with this? It's
Izuna, who owned this?
It's my own.
Izuna, what are you doing with a gun?
This is not a gun. It's a toy gun.
Eh? A toy gun, as you call it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what are you doing with it?
I only use it to play.
Which kind of play? Eh? Izuna Ogene. Do you want to kill me? Do you want people to see this in your hand and begin to believe that you are carrying gun?
Eh? This is not gun. This is just a toy gun.
Shut your mouth up! Shut up your mouth! Do you want me to show this to your father? Eh?
I'm sorry.
Izuna, what are you turning into? What? Hey, Izuna. Hey!
Come, leave me alone. I will kill you today. Leave me, come. What have I done? I said come. Come. It's getting too much. Leave me. It's getting too much of you. Leave me alone. What have I done? I've said it. Come. Leave me alone. I will kill you. Leave me alone.
Nai, what is it? Hey, Nai, Ichibu Madu.
Give me one reason why I should not kill him. Give me.
Nai, he's your son.
And that is exactly why I want to kill him myself with my own fist.
What has he done?
Ask your son who gave him a gun. Ask him how he managed to get a gun. It is the talk in the whole village that he now threatens people with gun.
It's a lie.
Can you imagine it?
I say it's a lie.
Nai, wait till we begin. That thing is just a toy gun.
Mama, tell him.
Eh? Don't mind what people are saying. Yeah, but that's all.
Wait. Did I hear you say a toy gun? Oh, yes. So you knew he had a gun and you didn't bother to tell me about it? Eh?
Nah, like I said, it's just a toy gun. Eh? And where are you fading here? Eh? Izuna, haven't I warned you over this? Eh? I've warned you. Nah, please, wait till no be.
I'm going to kill him myself.
Mbano. Nah, please.
Since 2 days ago, it was Nanya Kede that came to report him. What I still do not understand is how he jumped to Nanya Kede's fence to go and see his cash crops. Okwanwa.
Not a thief.
Now you will kill him. Do you want to strangle him? Please, it's okay now. It's okay. Hey, don't allow your anger to take over you.
Haji makife sirike wewolu balusi Okwichi makife sirike wela chubalusi. But now you don't see the repercussion. But now you don't see the drum beat. Oh now.
Woman, what are you doing to yourself? What is the meaning of all this? Eh?
Rapumbiko, just let me be.
Do you want to kill yourself for an irresponsible son? A boy who had already chosen his path. He never wanted to be responsible in life. Is it who you want to die for? Eh?
He's my only son.
As I already know that. I know.
No, you don't. You don't know. If you had known, you would have gotten him released before now. Yes.
Do you think crying all day will bring him back? Eh? Sitting down here from morning till night will bring him back?
So what do you want me to do?
Oh, you don't even know what to do and you expect me to do magic, okay? Eh?
I can see that you have given up on your son.
You have decided to kill him yourself. Hey, let me tell you, he is the one that wants to kill me. If I start thinking of all the problems he has caused this family, I will die before my time. Have you forgotten that we were ostracized for 1 good year because of what he did to Mazi Okere's daughter? Which one will I talk? Which one will I not talk? But let me tell you, what I have heard about this matter is the fact that if they see us around there, they will get us arrested. Let me tell you, the whole thing is much embarrassment, and Mazi Ude do not want to die before his time, and I know you know that.
It's all right, Nai. I've heard you. But I will advise you to do one thing.
What is it?
Start looking for another wife to marry. Because I will kill myself now. I will kill myself. But it has not gotten to that.
Chief Obakuru n'aka 1. Ọmụnwa Chief Obakuru n'aka 1. Kembu n'obodo a.
Oh ya kebu, that's what you are.
Onye mụ na ya na-asọ ya. Ọmụnwa.
Kedu komere?
Anyị nọ ya. Anyị nọ na-ekwugharị everywhere na anyị ejizi ụjọ nọ n'obodo a. Ọmụnwa Chief Obakuru n'aka 1 nke mbụ n'obodo a. I know that a day like this will come. Yes, I know that all my enemies will be put into shame. Imagine that small boy, Yuzuna. Telling me that I don't deserve the title that Igwe gave to me. Who is him? Now, where is him? He's dead. Omona.
Huh? We only heard that he was arrested.
Azu? You talk as if you don't know government. Do you know what that boy have committed? Do you? You don't know. Do you know how many persons he has killed? You are talking of arrest. I already know that by now he had been shot.
You mean shot?
Oh yes! These days I always glued to my small radio, waiting to hear the news of his death. Then I will walk straight to his father, look into his eyes, and tell him, Nto.
No wonder the whole village is rejoicing.
Why can't they rejoice?
The news of his arrest is real. But I pity Mazu Ude.
You pity who?
Mazu Ude.
Don't you know that he's reaping what he just sowed? I even suspecting that he was the one that sent that his useless son to come and molest me after my coronation as Chief Obakuru n'aka 1 nke mbụ n'obodo a.
Why are you saying such a thing?
See, Azuna, they send you. Don't you know that the heart of man is deceitful and wicked? Okay, well, like as I said, I'm waiting to hear the good news of his death. Then I will know the next to do. I will go to Igwe and tell him to look to this matter properly.
Anyway, I was actually going to see Ugu, the wine tapper, to book wine. Because tomorrow, the suitors coming for my daughter.
See, I almost forgot to. Che, I must be there.
Thank God that.
See, according to what that Baba talks, means say they will soon carry balls go court. And as we dey here, if you allow me, then carry balls go court, now for court. It don't make sense.
So we go do everything by our own power to make sure say we preach them, make them no carry boss go court. That be my own. So make una reason now. Make we know what to do.
So wetin we go do? Cause me I dey ready for anything. These people don dey do like say they wan overshadow us. Wetin they do for the gods to know them na? Wetin?
See, make I tell you, according to the information we get, that same money when they carry boss go court, na that same money when they judge in case. So we no go allow them at all. We no go allow them. We must preach them. Make sure say we do everything we were supposed to do. Now I walk
See, spirit. I don't try reason wetin you talk. Sense down. Yes. But I don't see and say the plan B. Maybe say they go carry and go court. But the plan A will be the major matter. I no try. I don't reason am. You know enter.
See, wetin dey there be say we go block them. We go make sure say we block them. That particular road wey dem go follow go that court. We go block them for that road. On how we see them, we open fire. On how we open fire, heads begin to roll. You know there.
Spirit, I support this one.
Now I walk.
For me, we be Drake, we will make the carry our oga. Go yard. For waiting now. Spirit, we go block them. We go waste people. Kill people. Who does them now? Who them be?
Skele now.
We go.
Let me be Skele, aka Skele. Hear me?
Like that.
Whether we block them or we unblock them, that one no concern me. Wetin me I know be say we must free our boss. We must free vampire. Na vampire matter they wan go judge for court. Dem na
one and one.
Wetin dem do? You don hear say dem judge big matter for court before?
Na dem wan start am.
Abi vampire na their mate. See o. Wetin? No. Maybe say I no dey like.
Come on, nonsense. Come on, Nida. Please. Hands up, please. Hands up.
Yes, sir.
Close your eye.
Yes, sir.
Nonsense.
Yes, sir.
Now you're begging. You're crying like a baby. You're crying now like a baby.
Please don't kill me.
Since I asked you to release my boss,
please.
I have asked you severally to release my boss.
I will release
and you
him.
refuse.
I will release him.
You are claiming that you know your job.
I will release him.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Now I will finish you here. Now what you have to do is keep quiet. Call that government. Since you claim you're working for government, call them. Let them come and rescue you. Did you hear me? Call them now or I'll finish. You claim them. Bastard! Fool! Idiot! Shh! Boy! Let's go!
What's the meaning of this? Rita.
Devil is very bad. Oh, devil is very bad. The gift of devil is very bad. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. Why you there run beginning at Chugasa? Why you there run beginning at Chugasa? Oh, 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 oh. The gift of devil is very bad. Oh, 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 oh. The gift of devil is very bad. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. The gift of devil is very bad. Yeah, 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 yeah. The gift of devil.
Okija. Bedru. Arabianka. Hey. Baba Vika. Arusike. Arusike. The great oracle. Arusike, the time has come. Yes. The time has come. Arusike, one of your sons is in trouble. And he needs help, Arusike. Arusike. Okay, Rola. Okay, Rola, Arusike. The time has come when you will do what you know best to do, Arusike. Hey. Sons of men, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Wise one.
What you seek is far beyond your reach. Yes. As we speak now, the police have taken him to court.
No, that is not possible. It's not possible, wise man. Now here they supposed pass. Now here they supposed pass go.
If you think I lie, then go right now and save him. Go now before it becomes too late. Now go.
Let's go there. Go there. Go there. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Go there. Go there. Go there.
Your phones. The court is about to start.
Please, mention your case.
I am interested in criminal case number 5.
Clerk, please read what is in case number 5.
Yes, my lord.
Can the accused person please rise and proceed to the dock?
Appearances.
My lord, my name is B.B. Ibama, Esquire, Prosecuting Counsel.
My lord, I am Woko Jude Igwe, Esquire, Prosecuting Counsel.
My lord, I am JB Ujoko, Esquire, Prosecuting Counsel.
Defense Counsel.
My lord, I am Barrister E.E. Felix for the defense.
My lord, I am Jamila Musa, Defense Counsel.
Read the charges.
As my lord pleases, Mr. Izuna Ude, aka the vampire, has been charged with the following crimes. Number 1, kidnapping, armed robbery, assassination, murder, and illegal possession of firearms. Do you, Mr. Izuna Ude, understand the charges levied against you?
Yes, I do.
Hello.
Are the complainants in the court?
Yes, my lord.
Prosecuting Counsel.
Mr. Izuna Ude, I know you are the vampire. Am I right? Can you please tell this honorable court what's the meaning of vampire?
The court knows the meaning of vampire.
Objection, my lord.
My learned colleague here is trying to carry out an inconsequential and inflammatory assumption against my client. And as such, I expect this honorable court to give my client the consideration.
Objection overruled. Prosecuting Counsel, you may proceed. This case is hereby adjourned till December 8th, and the accused persons is to be remanded in the maximum prison till the next adjourned date. Any other matter?
None, my lord.
I rise.
maka ife siri ike nwere ụba alụsị ọkwa iji maka ife siri ike welachi ụba alụsị. But now you don't see the repercussion. But now you don't see the drum beat. Oh, now you don't see the repercussion. No, you don't dance to the drum beat. You be need them sharp, don't come. You be need them where, don't come. You be need them sharp, don't come. You be need them where, don't come. Why you there on no guinea na chugasa?
Isioma. Hey, Isioma. I want more. Isioma.
Alright guys, you guys have done well. Now really do well for me, I no go lie. In fact, I no believe so when I go fit pull this kind of stunts. You know, I really do well. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for saving me. Yeah, now I know the police will be everywhere looking for me. They go find their papa. They go look for vampire all over the place. So what I want you guys to do here is to split. I want make una split, make una go separate ways. I don't want make una stay together because we're dangerous. So you guys will have to go separate ways, make una split, then take cover. You know, lie low. Is all understood? Spirit, is all understood?
No joking, boss. We gallant, now I walk.
Wanna lie low, okay? The next plan for me now is how to get out of this forest and go to Port Harcourt. I want to find my way to Port Harcourt, you know?
But boss, how do you think it will be possible? Don't you know that security agencies will be everywhere?
Relax. I know. But man no go live for here now. You understand? I got to find a way out. I want to leave. I want to go River State. Find my way to Rivers. I get other plans. Okay?
Okay. Boss, but me, Spirit, I'm not comfortable.
Relax, Spirit, cool down. My major concern now, I don't want you guys to go and fall into any trouble. Okay? That's why I'm saying lie low. Make una no dey together. Just separate yourselves. Be on the hideout for now. Okay? Please, just be on the hideout for now because then they look for every one of us. So Mona chill. Mona just lie low. Alright? You understand me? Yes, boss.
How do I survive in this town? What do I do to raise little money? At least to eat. I can't even go to the bank. That would be like a suicide mission. All my boys are gone. This is serious. So serious. Now which work will I do? Who will employ me when the news is everywhere? Wait, don't you think I should go back to the village? Is that place safe? No. Can't go back to the village. I just can't do that again. What do I do now?
Among those children, 2 are the children of Honorable Hyacinth Egu. I don't know which one. So you have to give me time to screen them and find out which ones are his children. Then they will be with me. I'll release the rest. You understood?
So what do you have with Honorable Hyacinth Egu that made you abduct innocent children?
Oga, no concern you. But in case you want to know, that idiot, that Honorable Anuma and all the smart, I had a deal with him. He thinks he's smart. He thinks he can outsmart me. Nobody they take what him belong to me, or I may be vampire. You understand? So until he gives me what I want, those his kids will be with me.
Anyway, Mr. Vampire or whatever you are called, we are very sorry. We cannot give you any other time. You must release those children today and now.
I can only release them if you guys will go and bring Honorable Hyacinth Egu to me. Then bring the man himself and I'll release the children.
Mr. Man, we did not come here to negotiate with you. Go and have those children released now.
Now who they talk? Just people like saying a bird they sing. Who you be? Who you be? They mad? So all this grammar while they speak, you know they hear them. You don't enter on ahead, Abby. Listen, this conversation is over. I wanna leave this place. So those children are so important to all of you, right? They are so important to you. That's why you left and came into this bush. You risk your life and enter this jungle. Don't you waste all of them now. Because they're big men children now, now they run kati enter bush. By the grace. When I dey small, when I dey inside bush, they suffer. Did any of you come for me? Did any of you come to rescue me or help me?
Your parents didn't ask for help. That's why nobody came searching for you. I put it to you as a plea. Please release those children now.
I can only release the children if you people will bring Honorable Hyacinth Egu to me. Why a marry bomb vampire? You know why they call me vampire? You guys should leave this place.
Hey! Oh, Izuna. Izuna, my son, Izuna! Yes. You have made a great mistake, Izuna. You have made a very great mistake. Why? Why, Izuna, why? Why did you not come back to tell Arusike about your release, Izuna? Hey. You have made a deadly mistake. The outcome of this will never be fine. Hey, Izuna, Arusike is no more happy with you. Hey, Izuna, 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 Izuna!
You don't see the repercussion. No, you don't dance to the rum beats. You be need them sharp, who don't come. You be need them where don't come. You be need them sharp, who don't come.
Smart guy.
So now this is your new hideout, right?
Agent Mario, how did you find me here?
You think you are smart. You have met your end already.
I have not been in the police force for 12 years for nothing. That which you know, I know. The road you traveled, many have traveled before you. So, it is time to put an end to this whole mess of your type. It's time to end it. The day is gone.
Hey, listen. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this, okay? Please. I am not resisting arrest. Please don't do this. You don't have to. I beg you. You don't have to. I beg you. You don't have to do this.
Operator Krigman.
Please.
Come on, take it. One more.
Nonsense. Vampire my foot.
The gift of devil is very bad. 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 This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This is a beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. This world is beautiful world. Sirike wewaru barusi okwichi makife sirike wela chubarusi. But now you don't see the repercussion. But now you don't see the drum beat. Oh no, you don't see the repercussion. No, you don't dance to the drum beat. You be need them sharp, don't come. You be need them where, don't come. You be need them sharp, don't come. You be